Parrots are a diverse group of birds found in most tropical and subtropical regions. They belong to the order Psittaciformes, which includes around 393 species. One distinctive characteristic of parrots is their strong, curved beaks, which they use to crack open hard nuts and seeds. These birds are also known for their vibrant plumage, displaying a wide range of colors from bright greens to vivid reds, blues, and yellows. Parrots are highly intelligent and social creatures, often living in flocks that can consist of hundreds of individuals. They are renowned for their ability to mimic human speech and other sounds, a skill that arises from their complex vocalization capabilities. This ability to mimic makes them popular pets, although it can also lead to issues when they are not adequately stimulated mentally and physically. The diet of parrots is diverse, typically consisting of seeds, nuts, fruit, buds, and other plant material. Some species also consume insects and small animals. Parrots have a unique way of eating where they use their feet to hold food while they chew it. Their zygodactyl feet, which have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward, are particularly well suited for grasping and manipulating objects. Breeding behaviors in parrots vary among species, but they generally nest in tree hollows, cliffs, or ground tunnels. They often lay white eggs, and both parents usually participate in caring for the young. Parrots are known for their long lifespans, with some species living for over 80 years in captivity. In terms of distribution, parrots are found on every continent except Antarctica, with the highest diversity in South America and Australasia. Some notable parrot species include the African gray parrot, known for its exceptional mimicry and problem-solving abilities, and the kii from New Zealand, famous for its curiosity and playful behavior. Conservation status of parrots is a growing concern, with many species threatened by habitat destruction, the illegal pet trade, and climate change. The kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand, is critically endangered, with extensive conservation efforts underway to save it from extinction. Parrots exhibit a range of social behaviors and vocalizations used for communication within their flocks. They can learn to understand the context of words and use them appropriately, showcasing cognitive abilities comparable to those of young children. In the wild, they use their vocal skills to navigate social hierarchies, find mates, and alert others to potential dangers. Their brains are highly developed, particularly in regions associated with vocal learning and coordination, reflecting their complex behaviors and advanced learning capabilities. Parrots' vivid colors are often a result of pigments called psittacofulvins, unique to this group of birds, which produce red, yellow, and orange hues. Finally, parrots play crucial roles in their ecosystems as seed dispersers. By consuming and later excreting seeds, they help maintain the health and diversity of their habitats. This ecological role highlights their importance beyond just their appeal as pets and their fascinating behaviors. Parrots have a fascinating evolutionary history, with fossil records suggesting they have been around for over 50 million years. Their closest relatives are the passerines, or perching birds, which include species such as crows and finches. Parrots are known for their complex social structures and form strong, lifelong pair bonds. These monogamous relationships are not just for breeding. Paired parrots engage in mutual preening and sharing food, behaviors that reinforce their bonds. One of the most intriguing aspects of parrot intelligence is their ability to use tools. For example, the Goffin's cockatoo has been observed using sticks to extract seeds from hard-to-reach places. This ability to manipulate objects extends to problem-solving tasks, where parrots can demonstrate a level of ingenuity comparable to primates. Parrots also exhibit a variety of sleep behaviors. Many species take short naps during the day, especially after feeding, and they often sleep standing on one leg while tucking their heads under their wings. This behavior helps conserve body heat and protect vulnerable parts of their body while resting. In terms of physiology, parrots have a highly specialized tongue that is thick, muscular, and often equipped with brush-like structures. This adaptation allows them to manipulate food with great precision. Additionally, their eyesight is exceptional, with a wide field of view and the ability to see ultraviolet light, which helps them locate food and navigate their environments. Parrots communicate through a range of vocalizations and body language. They can convey different emotions and intentions by altering the pitch, volume, and rhythm of their calls. Some species, like the Amazon parrots, have particularly extensive vocal repertoires, which they use to interact with both conspecifics and humans. The cultural significance of parrots is substantial, featuring prominently in the myths and folklore of many cultures. In some traditions, parrots are seen as symbols of fertility, love, and longevity. Their striking appearance and charismatic behavior have also made them subjects in art, literature, and film. Despite their charm, keeping parrots as pets requires significant commitment. They need substantial mental stimulation and social interaction to prevent boredom and behavioral problems such as feather plucking or excessive screaming. Enrichment activities such as puzzle toys and foraging opportunities are essential to their well-being. Certain parrot species have shown a remarkable ability to learn and understand the use of human tools. For example, Alex, an African gray parrot, became famous for his ability to identify colors, shapes, and numbers, demonstrating a cognitive level that challenged our understanding of avian intelligence. Many parrots exhibit migratory behaviors, although this is less common than in other bird groups. Species like the swift parrot of Australia undertake long migrations to find food and breeding sites, showcasing their adaptability and endurance. Parrots have also been the focus of numerous scientific studies aimed at understanding animal cognition, social behavior, and communication. Research with parrots has provided insights into the evolution of intelligence and the mechanics of vocal learning, offering parallels to human speech development. Parrots' ability to mimic human speech is not just a party trick. It reflects their sophisticated auditory and vocal systems. They possess a syrinx, a specialized vocal organ that allows them to produce a wide range of sounds, which they can modify with great precision. Finally, the conservation of parrots often involves innovative strategies, such as captive breeding programs, habitat restoration, and community-based conservation initiatives. These efforts aim to address the complex threats facing these birds and ensure their survival for future generations. Parrots exhibit a wide range of vocal dialects within the same species, similar to regional accents in human languages. These dialects can change over time as birds learn from each other, reflecting the dynamic nature of their social interactions. In terms of sleep, some parrot species are known to exhibit unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, USWS, allowing one hemisphere of their brain to rest while the other remains alert. This adaptation helps them remain vigilant to predators even while resting. The anatomy of parrots includes a highly flexible neck with more vertebrae than most other birds, allowing them greater mobility to reach and manipulate objects with their beaks. Additionally, their tail feathers are often long and strong, providing stability and maneuverability during flight. Parrots possess an excellent sense of taste, which helps them discern the nutritional value of different foods and avoid toxic substances. They have taste buds located on the roof of their mouths rather than on their tongues, like many other animals. Their hearing is also finely tuned, enabling them to detect subtle changes in the environment and communicate effectively over long distances. In the wild, some parrot species engage in mutualistic relationships with other animals. For example, certain parrot species may follow primates through the forest, feeding on fruits and seeds that the primates drop, which benefits both. Some parrot species, such as the palm cockatoo, use tools in their courtship rituals. Males will break off sticks and drum them against hollow trees to create loud sounds, which are thought to attract females and signal their fitness as mates. Parrots have a crop, a specialized part of their digestive system that allows them to store food temporarily before it moves to the stomach. This adaptation enables them to gather and transport food efficiently, especially when feeding chicks. Parrots' brains contain a structure called the medial spiriform nucleus, which is significantly larger in parrots than in other birds. This structure is involved in motor control and cognitive functions, contributing to their problem-solving abilities and dexterity. The beak of a parrot is covered with a thin layer of keratin, which provides both strength and sensitivity. This enables them to perform delicate tasks, such as peeling fruits or manipulating small objects, with great precision. Parrots can exhibit a behavior known as preening, where they groom each other. This activity is crucial for maintaining social bonds and overall flock cohesion, as it promotes trust and reduces tension among group members. Finally, parrots play a vital role in their ecosystems as bioindicators. Changes in parrot populations can signal shifts in environmental health, making them important species for monitoring ecosystem integrity and biodiversity conservation.